Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Over 7 lakh people were evacuated, trains and flights were cancelled, and multiple states were on high alert as Cyclone Foni hit India. Foni is generating storms with wind speeds as high as 200 kilometers per hour, which is why it's categorized as an extremely severe cyclone.
First 4 hours of landfall, during the landfall and post landfall 4 hours are the toughest times. Through the night it will weaken to a severe cyclonic storm, and by early morning it will weaken into a cyclonic storm by the time it enters West Bengal. By then, damaging potential of the strong wind, storm surge, they vanish. Only rain will be there.
Cyclones aren't unusual along India's east coast. There are about 5 to 6 cyclonic storms that emerge in the Bay of Bengal region each year. But cyclones that emerge between April and May are usually much weaker. That's why Foni is unusual given its strength and its route taken. In fact, there have been just 14 severe cyclones forming in the Bay of Bengal between April to May since 1891. Only one such cyclone even hit India, and that was in 1956.
After the 2004 tsunami, and when we built the National Disaster Management Authority and actually invested in building capacities to deal with the disasters, what we have done is in the coastal region, we have, with the help of state government and the district administration, we have built up very good systems wherein we can evacuate people at very short notices. So that's what happened in the case of Faline, wherein we were able to evacuate people from the danger zone, and though a lot of property was lost because you can't do much about the immovable property, very crucial lives were saved. So those days wherein cyclones used to claim 30,000, 40,000 lives, now those days are gone. There would be some unavoidable losses, and the government, at least for this particular cyclone, the aim is to keep it at zero casualty.
Cyclones normally form over warm ocean waters. The top layer of the sea, up to a depth of 60 meters, needs to be at least 28 degrees Celsius for its formation. The low level of air above the waters needs to have an anti-clockwise rotation, which can be formed due to winds from east and west. With cyclones, their strength is directly related to the amount of time they spend over the sea. Cyclones in the Bay of Bengal are usually weaker since they originate in an enclosed region and lose strength rapidly after hitting land due to a lack of moisture. In the case of Foni, it originated below Sri Lanka and close to the equator and gained strength as it moved northwestwards. It was initially headed for Tamil Nadu and might have been weaker, but because it changed course and was on the sea for longer, it became much stronger. Cyclones in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea are named in rotation by 8 nations, and in this case, the next cyclone will be named Vayu by India.